Don't you just hate living in a state where it rains all the time? God, this is getting annoying. Cue intro. If you can't see that, that's a crane, and that guy on the crane is fixing that light up there. I hope he doesn't fall. And there's the fear I was talking about yesterday. Denny's for the win. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. What's wrong here? Best friggin' breakfast ever, don't you think? I smell rubber. Okay, that was random. What's down here? Awesome. I want one of these. What's this do?
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
Yeah, whatever. Ooh, baseballs. It's sorta. What the hell is this? Okay. This is funny right here. Of course, YouTube might take this down because, you know, they suck. Right? YouTube sucks. Sounds like a bad version of it, doesn't it? Sounds like a bad version.
Is it recording your voice?
Yeah. Get it. You should get it. Yeah, gift. Okay. Another bad version of a song. Let it fall, or not. See what Family Guy starts? Now it's starting to get really annoying. Don't you just hate it when people argue on your Facebook status? Jeez. I want a Noompa Loompa, by the way. If anybody has one, send it my way. Hey, that run, sorta, so. I'm gonna try and stay up for 24 hours today. Think I can do it? Let's find out. So from now, 12:30 in the PM on Tuesday, to tomorrow at the same time, I would have been up for 24 hours if I can make it. Let's see if I can. Okay, 2 of probably 10 stickers in this drawer right here. Yes, we can. This. Oh, that might go in there. Equality. Sounders for the win. Insiders Club. I'm not vegetarian, by the way. Herb Wise Bomb. Something. Random words and stuff. Herb Wise Bomb again. Rhubarb. $1 million. Something from 7th grade. Old items gift card. Keep Tahoe Bomb. And now the stickers are on my laptop. And this soon will be in my tummy. Or stomach, or whatever it's called. It's time for a shameless promotion, or whatever. Okay, I'm trying to become partner on YouTube, and I don't think it's gonna work because I don't have that many views on my videos. So send this video to all your friends or whatever, and send my other videos to whoever. I know it's shameless, but I really want to become partner, and it's not gonna happen without you guys. So Thanks. Okay, those clouds scare me, okay? I'm glad I do not live in the Midwest, or we would have so many tornadoes. Damn.
The $10 double mash value meal.
Yeah, it's not raining yet. It will, hopefully. I think it's gonna start raining like right now, because I can see like that haze over there. That's rain. And here it comes.
Like specialty cheeses, because we all know how kings always have access to so many specialty cheeses, so we shop grocery.
Why this is interesting, I don't know, but I just like the rain. If you can't tell already.
People try to discourage us from eating Hot Pockets on the go.
You look like a fool with those buns. Nurse!
Only new Hot Pockets 5-shot cheeseburgers are wrapped in soft baked buns of awesomeness you can eat wherever, whenever. Eat freely.
Let's do it!
DreamWorks Dragons is the #1 movie in America.
I mean, keep him, sign me up!
And the #1 way to blow your pants off.
Oh, there go my undies.
DreamWorks Dragons, ready to begin. Will be in IMAX 3D. Diamonds, half carat to 2 carat are $2.99 to $19.90. Thousands of diamonds guaranteed the lowest price. The latest designer style guaranteed to appraise for double sets while you watch. Plus no interest for 6 months. Buy factory direct to Jewelry Exchange and Renter.